Te Wānanga o Aotearoa is a leader in educating kaitiakitanga of taonga Māori, and our Rongoā program is unparalleled. Advance your practice of Rongoā Māori by stepping up into our diploma in Rongoā and gain a deeper understanding of its history, practice and mana. Through 4 learning modules, you'll broaden your knowledge and look at how legislation influences Rongoā Māori practices today and the requirements to set up a Rongoā practice. From karakia takutaku and communicating tikanga practices to how to implement te tiriti o Waitangi values, your skills and knowledge base as a kaitiaki of Rongoā will be enhanced. Across 38 weeks of this fees-free program, your learning will be delivered through in-class teachings and in our collaborative learning spaces in Noho Marae and Wānanga. Use the networks you build to continue to help whānau and communities and further your education. You'll need to have access to an internet-connected digital device to fully participate in this program. We're here to support your wellness aspirations and success. Te Wānanga o Aotearoa offers a range of free services including student support, program support, online tools and access to our world-class facilities around the country. So come see us at one of our 80 sites around Aotearoa, or for more information, see our program details online at twoa.ac.nz. See you soon e hoa mā!